I think I just bought the wrong Mercedes.
How's it going, everybody? I hope you are having a fantastic day. Notification Squad looking stronger than ever. If you're not part of the Notification Squad, join the Vehicle Virgins family, smash that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell to stay up to date to the latest and greatest automotive content. Mike, better known as Autovlog, another YouTuber with an awesome C63 AMG, just called me to let me know that he is in Los Angeles. And not just him, but Dr. M3 as well, the guy with the coolest color per Permonte. We gotta go meet up with them because they are in the Malibu Canyons right now. My poor S-Class is so dirty right now, and I just noticed one of my center caps has in fact fallen off. Now I have replacements. The issue is they're all red, so I definitely don't want to have one red one and the rest be black. If you missed the last two videos, I did two reviews on two very different yet very special cars. The first was the $600,000 Rolls-Royce Phantom 8. I spent a lot of time on that video, so if you haven't seen it yet, make sure to check that one out. And the second car was the Tesla Model 3, the entry-level $35,000 Tesla. Was it actually any good? Well, watch the review to find out. But before we head out, I want to give a special shout out to today's sponsor, Dollar Shave Club. Dollar Shave Club is amazing, plain and simple. Imagine living in a world where every month you don't have to drive to the store, sort through tons of razors, spend as much as a tank of gas on some razor blade cartridges or a nice dinner month after month. Well, it turns out, thanks to Dollar Shave Club, that world does exist. So how does this sound? For just $5, and yeah, shipping is free, so it's literally $5. Dollar Shave Club is giving away their Shit, Shower, and Shave starter kit to new members. The starter set includes their executive razor. This thing is actually extremely high quality. 4 executive cartridges with 6 blades each. It also comes with Dr. Carver's Easy Shave Butter. Once I used this for the first time, and now I use this every single time I shave, I wondered, why on earth does anybody use normal shaving cream? Hint, don't use normal shaving cream. You also get body wash so you smell good, and 1 White Charlie's so your butt smells good. You get all of that in your first box, shipped to your home, no driving required, for just $5. And shipping, yeah, shipping is free. After that, replacement cartridges are just a couple bucks a month. It's still blowing my mind how good of a deal this is. This exclusive offer is available to each and every one of you Vehicle Version subscribers in the link below, dollarshaveclub.com/VV. That's right, a quality executive razor, 4 cartridges, body wash, shaving butter, and 1 White Charlie's for $5. Click the link in the description below, dollarshaveclub.com/VV, and get yourself hooked up. Oh, I missed the Lambo cold startups in the morning, and it wouldn't be a Vehicle Virgins video if I wasn't completely out of gas. Now, I just got an update from the shipping company that my car will be in Florida tomorrow. So it's going to make the event. I can't wait. Street Speed's gonna be there. Garrett's gonna be there. Rob Ferretti. We're gonna have some friendly competition in Ocala, Florida, and then off to Daytona. The event is called Wanna Go Fast, January 20th, Saturday. Come out, say hi, let's have some fun. This is the symbol you get when your range is so low, it doesn't even tell you miles. It just goes, please, please fill up the S-Class before you're stranded. In the back of the S-Class. I haven't been back here in a long time while the car fills up. I've been trying to watch more YouTube lately, ladies and gentlemen. Honestly, it's kind of funny. Most of the YouTubers that I'm friends with spend so much time filming, creating videos, editing, posting, figuring out brand deals, what's the next big thing, that none of us really watch YouTube all that much, which of course is really ironic. And one of the creators I've been watching a lot is PewDiePie, and he just made a video that really spoke to me. His video was called, "Is YouTube Really Worth It?" And the video was actually more geared towards content creators than it was content consumers. And I could relate to a lot of the things he said. So he makes videos every day, sometimes 2 times a day. I make videos every day, and a lot of my friends do. And he talks about the stress involved in always progressing. You're always competing with yourself to make better and better and better videos, come up with new ideas day after day after day, and eventually it gets pretty taxing. I've been doing videos every day for over a year now. I've made close to 1,000 videos. Sometimes it gets pretty hard to figure out what to do and how to make it enjoyable for you guys. He talked about how 2 years ago his entire life revolved around YouTube. Yes, it's his job. YouTube is my job, but does your entire life revolve around your job? Well, with YouTube, it's kind of interesting. It's wake up, think of a video idea, film the video idea all day, edit, send emails, contact people, come up with the next one, rinse and repeat 7 days a week without stopping. And he said after a while, he started to lose the love for it. It was not till he took a step back and went, I'm just gonna make videos that make me happy. I'm gonna do exactly what I wanna do, that he really found fulfillment with YouTube once again. I find it cool that no matter what level you're at on YouTube, whether you have 100 subscribers and you're just developing your channel, or you have 58 million like PewDiePie, that you go through some of the same struggles and you can really relate on a personal level. Now, he talked about a huge thing in making him feel happier is having time to himself, having time with friends and family, and going to the gym, which is a timely video because I've started going to the gym recently and it's been making me feel a heck of a lot better, getting motivated, going into the gym, and actually doing something for my physical and mental health. So on that note, let me know what you guys want to see more of, whether it's reviews, whether it's modifying cars, or you've got some random video idea. I'd love to hear it. I'd love to get some subscriber input. I love each and every one of you guys, and I wake up every single day and think, what type of video would Vehicle Virgins as an amazing family and community like the most? Something that I've been having fun with recently is collaborating with other YouTubers. And that's what we're about to do right now. Oh my God, there they are. That's so sexy. Oh no, you gotta be kidding me. It's an E63. Why do you do this to me? No. And right there, there's Mike in the Model 3. So I just pulled up and I've been talking to you for a long time, man.
We've been texting and talking on the phone.
Yeah, it's been this crazy romance and we finally met. It's like a Tinder date, like. But how long have you been out here? What are you
we came on Friday. We're here with Dr. M3 and then Automotive as well.
Nice.
And we're just here to do a bunch of fun content, hang out with you, go to Sunset GT and just enjoy California, you know what I mean?
Yeah, and you've got a Model 3. Funny enough, I drove one of these yesterday for a review.
And it's a pretty amazing car.
You like it?
I love it.
I was actually pleasantly surprised.
Yeah.
Because you hear entry-level model. I mean, the ones that you can buy now are not exactly entry. First edition ones, you have to get some options that bump up the price quite a bit. But
when you get in, I've never been in a Tesla before, and like the interior is so minimalistic. It's just awesome, and this giant freaking iPad Pro in there.
Yeah. So what else do we got? You rented a R8?
I rented a Audi R8.
Nice. Did you get it from Stradman?
That thought actually struck me to call him, or like try to get a hold of him somehow, just to, you know, because he was going to do that, but no, we didn't do that.
Look at this. Dr. M3's Purple Monte. This is honestly my favorite color Huracan out there. Absolutely stunning in person. The camera does not do it justice. And then, look at this. There's an E63. I'm like sitting on my computer, tracking my car on the ship, just crying about how it's not here yet. And then one shows up with carbon ceramic brakes.
It's better. Because I want to check something.
Oh God, I miss you. Oh. Mercedes just released a new E-Class AMG model that I'm going to talk about later in today's video. Seeing this, I miss my car so bad.
This thing is sick.
It's sick. This is an Edition 1, which has this cool little decal here, but my favorite part about the Edition 1 is it's the only one you can get with contrasted stitching in a different color than white. So we've got this yellow contrast everywhere. How are you liking it so far?
It's been a fun ride. It's a good car, put 2,500 miles on it so far, and I'm ready to put another 60,000.
Heck yeah, heck yeah.
That's right.
And we got Dr. M3 over here.
What's up, guys?
What's up, man? Good. I haven't seen you in freaking forever. Dude, this is the first time I've seen your car in person and it is freaking spectacular.
Isn't that color amazing?
It's amazing.
Yeah. Well, first of all, exotic cars just do really well anyway, especially Lambos in crazy colors. But it took Alex 4 years to convince me to do Viola Parsife. And I think, you know, yesterday, by the way, we did Performante Pandemonium.
Yeah.
We had actually 13 Performantes.
No
the
way.
largest in the world that ever gotten together.
Wow.
At Sunset GT. And
Yeah.
The cruise afterwards in the canyon. Unreal. All the Skittle colors. Amazing car. I love it.
You always do this to me. You came out with your Huracan Spider in the exact color I wanted. Then you get the Performante in the best color ever.
Let's do it. Let's get you spec'd. Come on.
My wallet. All right, well, we've got a lot of fast cars, minus mine. Let's do some canyon mobbing. Somehow I have to keep pace, actually set pace, because they sent me first since I know all these roads out here, with a Model 3, an R8 V10 Plus, a Huracan, and an E63. In an S-Class. I'm hosed, but this is gonna be fun. I love all those guys. What is going on right here? This is This is what happens when your Huracan's purple. You got a picture of a picture of a picture of a picture with a video.
That's how you do it.
So we just pulled over at the bottom of the snake because Mike wants to get some cool point of view footage of the Model 3, and I thought this was the perfect place to do it. Trying to lead in an S-Class, it's not ideal, but I'm trying my best here. This is a sweet shot right here with the Performante next to the old gas pump. Look at this. This is so old that the gas is 49 cents per gallon, and it doesn't even have the option for if it were to go over $1, there's no space for it. It's been a long time since I've been in the driver's seat of an E63. I miss this thing so badly. He's got the similar carbon fiber interior. Well, not similar, the exact same. He's also got the carbon ceramic brakes on this. Damn you, your car is better than mine. But the Edition 1 didn't come with the Burmester high-end audio as an option. And that was one of the reasons why I stayed away from it, is after hearing that on the S-Class, I needed to experience that high-end audio on a car. It also has those rotating tweeters that come out of the A and B pillars that look so dang cool. Looks like he was driving in sport handling mode. Let the guys lead. Damn, that Huracan sounds good in the tunnel. Oh, look at that beast in all its glory. I love the Performante, it's so beautiful. Look at that beauty. No, you're so much faster. Slow down. Oh, that E63 sounds so good. We're trying to find a good lot to take pictures of all the cars, but the problem is we've got a rental R8 as well as Dr. M3's personal Huracan Performante, so going off-road is not really something that he wants to do, but there aren't too many lots out here in the canyons that actually are paved. Alright, the owner of this car has graciously said, I can take it for a little spin, so how about we drive the E63S for the first time in America, and it actually isn't even mine. I gotta rip this thing through the tunnels. That twin-turbo 4-liter V8, despite having turbochargers, still sounds ungodly. Alrighty, this is definitely weird driving somebody else's E63 right about the same time I thought I was going to take delivery of mine. So the last time I drove mine, it was... well, the conditions were not suitable for driving quick, so this will be... oh man, this is a downright blast. Oh god. The fact that this is a practical all-wheel drive family sedan that makes noises like that, and then you can switch it into drift mode, unbelievable. That, I mean, that's why I love Mercedes right now. All right, another tunnel run, it's mandatory. That's so sick. I did not imagine I would be driving an E63 today, and oh man, is that an epic car. I cannot wait for mine to arrive. So funny to see that Model 3 come through the tunnel, making absolutely no noise, and then the Performante just ripping by. I can't get over how beautiful that thing is. Well, unfortunately, Mike has to head out. He's got to return this rental R8. Dude, it was amazing meeting up with you. If you guys aren't freaking subscribed to Autovlog, like, what are you really doing with your life? I got a link in the description below for that, and we definitely got a link up again, man.
Absolutely.
All right, and if you guys haven't seen Dr. M3, like I said with Mike, what are you doing? You got to check him out. So it was great to see you, man, and drive safe, and hopefully we'll link up like 2 days from now or something. Oh, this is how you know you're truly ballin'. Just in case you didn't know, it was a Lamborghini.
No, that's just my reminder. Make sure that I don't get into the wrong car.
Is this aftermarket?
No, that's factory.
What a friendly group of guys those people are. I had a downright blast today. Completely different from the vlog I had planned. Definitely a heck of a lot more fun. There is nothing more fun than hanging out with like-minded individuals who love cars and just driving around. All right, let's go inside. I got something I gotta talk about. It's possible that I just bought the wrong Mercedes. Mercedes-Benz has just announced at the Detroit Auto Show the new E-Class AMG Coupe and Cabriolet. Thought they weren't doing that. So did I make the wrong decision? Well, let's go over some of the specs to find out. The new car is called the E63 Amg, and it features the first inline six to be used in a Mercedes in the last 20 years. That's right, the 3-liter turbocharged inline six makes 429 horsepower and 384 pound-feet of torque. The real trickery lies in Mercedes EQ Boost, something that they unveiled at the LA Auto Show for the new Mercedes-Benz CLS. The CLS and the E-Class Coupe are going to share a lot of the same mechanical underpinnings. So what is EQ Boost? Well, essentially it is a standalone electric starter motor and alternator combo that gives the car an extra 21 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. That's sandwiched between the car's engine and transmission. Not only does this increase power and a lot of torque, but it also minimizes lag caused by that turbo. Like the new E63, the E53 has Mercedes-AMG's 4MATIC system. They say that 100% of the torque can be transmitted to the rear wheels, although there hasn't been any confirmation whether the E53 does in fact have the same drift mode that the E63 does. It also has the same 9-speed automatic transmission as the E63. I am praying they do not come out with an E63 coupe and cabriolet. Mercedes denies this as a possibility, but please, please don't do it. The claimed 0 to 60 for the coupe is 4.3 seconds. That's pretty fast. The convertible just a tenth slower at 4.4. The front end of the car is slightly more aggressive, but looks pretty similar to the non-AMG E-Class coupe, though you swing around to the back, and the new rear end is much more menacing than before. We've got a large, aggressive rear diffuser and 4 round tailpipes, something that's kind of unique in the world of AMG's slanted rectangular tailpipes. Speaking of AMGs, wonder where the heck mine is.
One eternity later.
So I just texted my dealer and he told me that it shows that my car will be arriving at the Port of Los Angeles on January 2nd. So about
2,000 years.
A little bit longer than I was hoping, but then the question is, how long does it take to get from the port to my house? Now, they're saying anywhere from a week to 21 days after that. I'm hoping that it's just a week. So maybe 3 weeks till I see my E63? Not sure. Definitely cannot wait for that thing to arrive. Well, there you guys have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. If you liked it, smash that thumbs up button. I look forward to seeing you next video. Peace!